The Amazon rainforest, a vast and vibrant ecosystem teeming with life and unparalleled biodiversity. It is crucial for our planet's health, acting as a natural air purifier. The Amazon is home to 10% of the world's known species, including countless plants, animals, and insects that are yet to be discovered. It plays a vital role in regulating global climate, influencing weather patterns far beyond its borders. The Amazon absorbs carbon dioxide and releases oxygen, making it essential for maintaining the balance of gases in our atmosphere. It helps to stabilize our planet's temperature, acting as a buffer against climate change. The Amazon River, a lifeline of the rainforest, sustains countless communities and ecosystems. It provides fresh water and food, supporting the livelihoods of millions of people. Its intricate waterways support a delicate balance of life, nurturing a diverse array of aquatic species. Protecting the Amazon is not just about conservation, it's about ensuring the survival of our planet. It's about preserving life as we know it, respecting the wisdom of indigenous communities who have lived in harmony with this land for centuries. We must act now to safeguard this precious treasure for future generations, ensuring that the Amazon continues to thrive and support life on Earth. Deforestation poses a severe threat to the Amazon, one of the most vital ecosystems on our planet. Trees are being cut down at an alarming rate, with vast swathes of forest disappearing every day. This relentless destruction is driven by human activities. This has devastating consequences for the environment, including the pollution of rivers and the transformation of lush forests into barren lands. Deforestation is driven by various factors. These include agricultural expansion, illegal logging, and mining. Each of these activities contributes to the rapid loss of forest cover. It leads to habitat loss, pushing many species towards extinction. The Amazon is home to countless unique species that are now at risk. The loss of trees disrupts the water cycle, affecting not only the local climate but also the global weather patterns. It results in soil erosion and increased flooding, which can devastate communities and agricultural lands. Deforestation also releases massive amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, accelerating climate change. The burning of trees contributes significantly to greenhouse gas emissions. The consequences of inaction are dire. If we do not take immediate steps to address this issue, the damage could be irreversible. We must act urgently to halt deforestation and protect the Amazon's rich biodiversity. Reforestation efforts and sustainable practices are essential to preserving this irreplaceable treasure. Reforestation offers a glimmer of hope. It involves planting trees in areas that have been deforested. Reforestation can help restore the Amazon's health. Planting trees helps to absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This mitigates climate change. It also helps to restore biodiversity by creating new habitats. Reforestation projects often involve local communities. They provide sustainable livelihoods and promote environmental stewardship. It is a long-term solution that requires sustained effort and investment. Reforestation is not just about planting trees. It's about restoring ecosystems and securing a future for the Amazon. Success stories, inspiration from the field. Across the Amazon, inspiring reforestation projects are making a difference. These initiatives demonstrate the power of collective action. In Brazil, the Xingu Seed Network has successfully restored large areas of degraded land. This project involves indigenous communities in collecting and planting seeds. In Peru, the Tambopata National Reserve has witnessed remarkable forest regeneration. This success is attributed to community-based conservation efforts. These examples showcase the potential of reforestation. They provide valuable lessons for scaling up such initiatives across the Amazon. Community engagement, the heart of the solution. Local communities are at the heart of successful reforestation efforts. Their knowledge and participation are invaluable. Indigenous communities have a deep understanding of the rainforest. They have been its guardians for centuries. Their traditional knowledge is crucial for selecting appropriate tree species and ensuring successful reforestation. Engaging local communities empowers them. It provides them with sustainable livelihoods. It also fosters a sense of ownership over the restored forests. Recognizing and supporting the rights of indigenous communities is paramount to the long-term success of reforestation initiatives. Global collaboration joining hands for the Amazon. Protecting the Amazon requires a global effort. International cooperation is essential to support reforestation projects. Developed nations have a responsibility to provide financial and technical assistance. They have contributed significantly to global deforestation through their consumption patterns. Collaboration among governments, NGOs, and research institutions is crucial. Sharing knowledge and resources can enhance the effectiveness of reforestation efforts. We must work together to combat illegal logging, promote sustainable agriculture, and protect the rights of indigenous communities. A call to action. Our planet, our responsibility. The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as the lungs of our planet, is a crucial component of Earth's ecosystem. It provides not only oxygen, but also a home to countless species of flora and fauna. The fate of the Amazon rainforest hangs in the balance. Rampant deforestation and illegal logging are stripping away this precious resource at an alarming rate. If we do not act now, we risk losing this natural wonder forever. The time for action is now. Every second counts as we face the ticking clock of climate change. People around the world are raising their voices, demanding immediate and effective measures to protect our environment. We must all do our part to protect this vital ecosystem. From planting trees to supporting sustainable practices, every action, no matter how small, contributes to the larger goal of conservation. Support organizations involved in reforestation efforts. These groups are on the front lines, working tirelessly to restore the balance of nature and ensure the survival of the Amazon. Make informed choices as consumers. Reduce your carbon footprint by opting for eco-friendly products, recycling, and using renewable energy sources. Every choice we make has an impact. Educate yourself and others about the importance of the Amazon. Knowledge is power, and by understanding the critical role this rainforest plays, we can inspire more people to join the cause. Spread awareness about the threats it faces and the solutions available. Use social media, community events, and educational programs to amplify the message and reach a wider audience. The Amazon rainforest is a global treasure. Its biodiversity is unparalleled, and it plays a vital role in regulating the Earth's climate and water cycles. Its future depends on our collective action. By working together, we can create a sustainable future where the Amazon thrives and continues to benefit all life on Earth. Let us act now to preserve this irreplaceable ecosystem for generations to come. The responsibility lies with each of us to ensure that the Amazon remains a vibrant and thriving part of our planet. Enjoying the journey? Hit that subscribe button and join our awesome crew. We've got plenty more exciting content coming your way. Don't miss out.